In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create own custom emoji in Slack. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to upload, and how to save your new emoji so your whole workspace can use it. I'll keep things simple and clear, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way to make sure your emoji looks great. First, look to the left sidebar in Slack and click on Admin. This is your gateway to workspace settings. If you don't see Admin, it may be because your organization has different permissions or a slightly different layout. In many workspaces, the ability to add custom emoji is available to members, but if it's restricted, you might need an admin to follow these steps for you. Next, select Edit Workspace and then choose Emoji. This takes you to the dedicated area where your workspace manages its emoji library. It's a good place to pause and take a look around, because you'll see the full list of custom emoji that already exist. Scanning through these can help you avoid duplicate ideas and get a sense of how your team names its emoji. Now, look to the top right of that list and click Add Custom Emoji. This is where the magic happens. You'll be prompted to upload a PNG file. For best results, pick a square image, ideally around 128 by 128 pixels, with a transparent background so it looks clean on light and dark themes. Keep the file size small so it uploads quickly and displays crisply. After you've uploaded the PNG, give your emoji a short, memorable name. Stick to lowercase letters, numbers, and underscores to keep it easy to type. The name matters because that's what people will enter when they want to use it. A clear, descriptive name helps your teammates find it fast. When the file is in place and the name looks good, click Save. That's it. Your new custom emoji will appear in the Workspace emoji list right away. From here, it's available across channels and direct messages, and anyone in the workspace can use it according to your organization's settings. A couple of parting tips. Choose images with strong contrast so they're readable at small sizes, and keep text within the image to a minimum. If something doesn't look right after saving, you can always come back to this same page to replace the file or adjust the name. And that's all you need to create your own custom emoji in Slack. Thanks for watching, and enjoy adding personality to your workspace.